Are you tired of cooking meals that are a disaster, a complete mess? You know what I'm talking about: overcooked rice, burnt vegetables, and let's be real, who needs that kind of stress in their life? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Instant Pot Dual Plus steamer. It's not just another pressure cooker, it's a game changer, and I'm going to reveal why. /N. For the best price, click the link in the description. So let's get started with the obvious question. What is the Instant Pot Dual Plus steamer? It's an electric multi-cooker that not only cooks food fast, but also retains nutrients and flavors like a pro. But there's more to it than meets the eye. /N. But what really caught my attention was its unique steam function. I mean, who doesn't love a good steamed meal, right? And with this baby, you can do just that: steam your favorite foods to perfection. Therefore, in today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Instant Pot Dual Plus steamer and explore all its features, benefits, and potential downsides. So if you're thinking of buying one, keep watching. And before we begin, I want to ask, have you ever tried cooking with an Instant Pot? If so, what was your experience like? But let's get back to the Instant Pot Dual Plus steamer. It's not just a pressure cooker, it's a multi-cooker that can do so much more. It has 7-in-1 functions: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, sauté pan, steamer, yogurt maker, and warmer. Therefore, you can use it to cook a variety of dishes, from soups to stews, and even make homemade yogurt. However, there are some potential downsides to consider. For example, the Instant Pot Dual Plus steamer is quite large and heavy, which might be a problem for those with limited kitchen space. But don't worry, I'm here to give you an honest review of this product so you can make an informed decision. And speaking of making decisions, have you ever tried making decisions while hungry? It's not fun, trust me. But let's get back to the Instant Pot Dual Plus steamer. One of its most impressive features is its ease of use. You can simply add your ingredients, press a few buttons, and voila! Your meal is cooked. Therefore, if you're looking for a hassle-free cooking experience, this might be the perfect product for you. However, there's more to it than just ease of use. Let's talk about its performance. The Instant Pot Dual Plus steamer can cook food up to 70% faster than traditional methods, which is a game changer for busy people. But what really sets it apart from other products on the market is its steam function. It allows you to cook delicate foods like fish and vegetables without overcooking them. Therefore, if you're looking for a product that can handle all your cooking needs with ease, the Instant Pot Dual Plus steamer might be the perfect choice. However, I want to give you a little warning. This product is not cheap, but trust me, it's worth every penny. /N. And speaking of pennies, have you ever tried to cook a meal on a budget? It's tough, but with the Instant Pot Dual Plus steamer, you can do just that. Therefore, if you're looking for a product that can help you save money and time in the kitchen, this is it. But let's talk about its design. The Instant Pot Dual Plus steamer has a sleek and modern look that will fit perfectly with any kitchen decor. However, there's one thing to consider when buying this product: its size. It's quite large, so make sure you have enough space in your kitchen before making the purchase. Therefore, if you're looking for a product that can handle all your cooking needs with ease and style, the Instant Pot Dual Plus steamer is worth considering. However, I want to give you one more thing to think about: its warranty. The Instant Pot Dual Plus steamer comes with a 5-year limited warranty, which is impressive. But let's get back to the benefits. This product can help you save time and money in the kitchen. And who doesn't love that? Therefore, if you're thinking of buying the Instant Pot Dual Plus steamer, I recommend doing so from Amazon. You can find it for a great price and even get free shipping. And speaking of shipping, have you ever tried to cook a meal while waiting for delivery? It's not fun, trust me. /N. For the best price, click the link in the description. However, I want to give you one final thought. This product is not just a cooking device. It's an investment. With its 7-in-1 functions and ease of use, it can help you save time and money in the long run. Therefore, if you're thinking of buying the Instant Pot Dual Plus steamer, don't hesitate. It's worth every penny. But let me ask you, have you ever tried making a decision based on reviews? It's not always easy, but I'm here to give you an honest review of this product.